Hi guys, 4 years ago I almost gave up on skincare because how expensive skincare products has become, and I just felt that I cannot keep up. And one of the products I love for my face is a hydrating facial cleanser. And at that moment I was using Cerave hydrating facial cleanser. But guess what? When I went back to buy this product, the price has doubled because of change in dollar as at that period. And not until I heard about face fats, Ceramide Hydrating Gentle Cleanser, and this has been one of my favorites, especially for my clients that is within the budget. So now I've used this and I'm currently using this. So I'm not like this is actually the perfect time to share my honest review on this facial cleanser. So sis, do you want to know if CeraVe facial cleanser is worth replacing? So sis, let's talk about it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite skin blogger LOB, and in today's video I'll be sharing my honest review on the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser and Face Fat Hydrating Facial Cleanser, which is what adding to your skincare routine. So let's talk about the ingredients used in the formulation. We all know that these two facial wash of hydrating facial cleanser are very hydrating on the skin. This particular one is formulated with 5-ceramide, hyaluronic acid, and oats, and this can actually help to properly cleanse the skin without stripping the skin of its natural oil, and it's also very good for sensitive skin, and it's also fragrance free. This product is fragrance free, meaning that it doesn't have fragrance. Sis, guess what? Talking about the ingredients used in this formulation, this also contains 3 essential ceramide, and it's also formulated with hyaluronic acid. This also is fragrance free, making it suitable for someone with sensitive skin. So now, which do is it worth buying? So funny enough, most times people think once a product is expensive, that means that the product can actually work, but that's not always true. So what I like about this is that it's formulated with 5-ceramide, while this very one is formulated with 3-ceramide. This is formulated with hyaluronic acid. This is formulated with hyaluronic acid. This is formulated with oats. Oats is very, very good, especially for irritated skin. It helps to calm the skin. It soothes the skin, while this is not formulated with oats. However, skin formulation differs, and because this is formulated with oats doesn't actually mean it is the best. So talking about the texture, both of them has the same texture, but the different thing about this is that this is more thick. This can last on the skin. It's just like a cream. It doesn't foam at all. This doesn't foam, and it is also very thick. Little goes a long way. While this is kind of a little bit watery, and this will absolutely last longer. But the good thing about this is that it has a little bit of foam. It foams a little bit, not aggressively, because if you want the one that foams, you'll be getting the foaming cleanser. So this also foams, but not too well. But you can see that, you can see that it's actually ladders on the skin, very gentle, very creamy on the skin. So honestly, I cannot even choose which absolutely work well, but I know that if you want a gentle facial cleanser that will help to properly cleanse your skin, hydrate your skin without stripping your skin of its natural oil, you can choose any of this. And to be honest with you, as someone that have used this product, I cannot even tell which is better. Both of them work absolutely well for that radiant skin. This doesn't work on hyperpigmentation. It doesn't have the ability to clear hyperpigmentation. What it does is to glow up your skin for that radiant, vibrant skin tone. So the only difference is that this is more expensive and this is more affordable. I got this product for 6,500 to 7,000. This is sold for 22,000 naira, even though it comes in 355 ml, while this comes in 200 ml. The proper way to use this product, because the truth is, a lot of you will come, oh, I've used CeraVe, it did not work. I've also tried face fat, rubbish products. But sis, I always ask, how do you use these products for effective results? Now, let me share with you how to use this product so that you can get all the benefits you want from this facial cleanser. So you will start by wetting your face. Make sure your hands are clean. Anytime you're washing your face, make sure your hands are very, very clean. Then when you dispense the facial wash on your palms, you make sure you rub your palms together to activate the facial wash. Once you have rubbed it, you will start applying on a circular motion, not like up and down. You will gently apply your nose area, putting in little pressure. You will rub it for 30 seconds, not 10 minutes, not 10 seconds. 30 to a minute seconds. After washing it, allow the product to penetrate. You can start by bathing your body. When the product has penetrated a little bit, then you wash it off. Next thing that is very important is, sis, where are you buying your skincare products? Are you sure you're shopping original brand? Because I can help you sort those products for you. Sis, we have come to the end of today's video. Let me know, have you tried this product? Are you willing to try this product? How was your experience? Let me know on the comment section, because I'll be down there reading all your comments, sis, and answering all your questions. Till we see you next time, do not forget to drink your water, eat your fruits and vegetable, like this video, comment, share it to someone that will find it helpful, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.